Hello students, myself SJP of Dr. AK Public School. Welcome to class 10th SST CBSE board. Children, this is part first of the lesson Nationalism in India. Children, this is one of the vast lesson of history book which describe overall impact of nationalism on Indian territory. After in this lesson, we are going to discuss from the incidents from 1919 and onward. Children, in this chapter, we will discuss how Congress sought to develop national movement. Children, second point we will discuss how different social groups participated and how nationalism captured the imagination of the people. These three topics we are going to discuss one by one. Before we come to the topic of nationalism in India, we will try to understand that from 1920 we will discuss how NCM, non-cooperation movement, and civil disobedience movement CDM that took place, and who was responsible for this, who was the founder of these movements. Children, to discuss, before we discuss the forward cases, let us try to understand that modern nationalism in Europe that was associated with emergence of nation states. Means modern nationalism came after emergence of nation states. Children, these things came after series of struggle in various European countries, you know very well. And secondly, when we discuss the impact of First World War in India, we will find that it created a very havoc, and it created a, you can say, a lot of suffering to common people, and Indian economic system was totally damaged. Children, in 1919, national movement spread. In 1919 in India, national movement was at its peak. Later on, war created new economic and political situation. Means the impact of First World War, it created a new economic and political situation. Our economic and political situation became new after First World War. Children, huge increase in defense expenditure. In European countries, many countries fought in this First World War, and their defense expenditure was totally increased. And the result was increase in tax increased, custom duties increased, income tax introduced, and this caused a economic depression on British government ruling in India. Children, one thing more, extreme hardship to common people was felt. Common people, they had suffered a lot of hardship because of rise in price of commodities, because of, you can say, forced recruitment. And this forced recruitment caused widespread anger, acute shortage of food, and influenza epidemic increased. Children, due to forced recruitment, people became angry. They don't want to be recruited in army because they had many types of occupation at home. That's why they became angry, and most of the youths became angry because of this forced recruitment. Means लोगों को ज़बरदस्ती रिक्रूट किया जाता था, भर्ती किया जाता था आर्मी में जाने के लिए, ताकि वो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार में जाके युद्ध कर सके. And there was acute shortage of food because of famine, because of many types of, you can say, bad quality seeds and irregular irrigation system, and not any supply of fertilizer, weedicide, insecticide. Means modern farming was totally nil. That's why people suffer from acute shortage, especially common people. So another thing came after First World War, influenza. This was an epidemic like corona. At that time, influenza epidemics increased all over India, and people were struggling with this epidemic. They had to save themselves, but due to lack of economy, due to lack of per capita income, they could not get treated. That's why death increased day by day. So children, this was the condition of India at that time, and